Explore unmatched elegance on Prospect Street. In Fountain Square, nestled in the heart of Indianapolis. In the highly sought-after area of Fountain Square, a residence of unparalleled sophistication awaits. Acquire JDF proudly presents an exclusive property on Prospect, redefining luxury living in this vibrant community. Main house features spacious living, boasting a generous 2,484 Sqft. The main house offers 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, providing ample space for comfort and functionality. The exterior boasts a modern and sleek design. This is a perfect property for any investor. Convenient parking, 2 garage spaces. With alley access, ensure hassle-free parking in the bustling neighborhood. New construction. Immerse yourself in the luxury of a new construction property, thoughtfully designed for modern living. Electric heating and central electric cooling guarantee year-round comfort. Gourmet kitchen. The updated kitchen, complete with a breakfast bar and a spacious dining area. Sophisticated interiors, bath sinks double main, laundry connection in unit, and 4 full bathrooms and 2.5 bathrooms provide both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Cityscape views. Enjoy breathtaking views of the city and downtown from the comfort of your home. Bonus house B highlights. Square foot 2,288. Bedrooms 2, bathrooms 2, parking, alley access, assigned, attached, garage door opener. Lot size, same parcel. Separate living, total area house B, 2,040 Sqft, fully remodeled. Modern comforts, with a total living area of 4,712 Sqft. The property, rebuilt in 2023, features an A-frame architectural style, seamlessly blending contemporary design with architectural charm.